Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. In this video we will talk about Bitcoin, what's going on with Bitcoin, what are the news for Bitcoin, and what about the next things for Bitcoin. Is it going up? Is it going down? We will take a look about that now. So here is Fear and Greed Index. You can see it today only 76 points. Extreme greed, yes, but yesterday 94 points, last week 95 points, and last month 74 points. So this big dump here, about 25% or so, is a real problem for all long hodler of Bitcoin. But guys, it's not so a big problem as you think. I will show you. Okay, that's the thing for the Fear and Greed Index. Let's go here to our technical analysis. Let's go to the first thing I will show you. Here is the technical analysis of TradingView on the daily. You can see it here. The summary is on buy. The moving averages are on strong buy, oscillators on neutral. So on the big, long uptrend, everything is fine. On the daily uptrend, everything is fine. Everything is okay. On the 4 hour, it's telling us sell and strong sell. And we will take a look about this thing because that's very important now. On the 1 hour, sell, strong sell, 50 minutes, sell, strong sell. So only on the 1 day chart, on the long term here, it's bullish here. It's talking to us buy Bitcoin, strong buy Bitcoin, and on the 4 hours it's telling us throw away your Bitcoin. So okay, now we will take a look about that. Before we will make that, I would like to show you something, guys. Here the news for today, the big news for today. You can see it here. MicroStrategy completes another 1 billion Bitcoin buy. They bought 19,452 Bitcoins, and that's a really big thing. They wrote it on your homepage also. They bought it on a approximately price about 52,700 per coin. So it's a little bit deeper as we're momently on 49 or something like this, I think, and they bought it at 52,000. And look at this, the company has momently 90,531 Bitcoins. 90,000. That are 4.6 billion of Bitcoin. So, okay, that's maybe one point while Bitcoin is going up momently or up for the daily here because they bought it. And if a lot of these companies are buying the dips, it's very clear why we don't dump more, because every dip will bought up from these companies, and that's for me a main reason why this bull run here is not so like the 2017 bull run, because we have a lot of more companies here. They are buying up Bitcoin. Every dip is bought up here, and every company is buying in for here. So okay, let's go now to Bitcoin. This is the chart. Let's go deep in the Bitcoin chart. We are on the daily chart. The daily chart is the big uptrend. The big uptrend is here. Everything is looking nice. Look at this. Bitcoin spiked here exactly. A lot of Bitcoin professors are saying exactly. So, okay, I'm not. But it spiked exactly on this blue line here. You can see it. This is our uptrend. This is our green uptrend. And the big dip here, the big dump here was exactly to this blue line here. And from this, it bounced up again. So this is a very bullish sign. You can see it because we have no closing candle under this middle line. The middle line is always very important for us traders here. So this bullish, this other thing was extreme bullish is on the daily we are on the, here is the ribbon band, and we are still over this ribbon band. So that's very bullish. That's very cool for all long traders. No problem, guys. Everything is fine. We are over the ribbon band. We are fighting over the ribbon band, and we bounced over this blue line. You can see it here. This was the bearish thing about Bitcoin for a month or so. It was bearish. We had this blue line as a resistance here, and we spiked to it and down again, spike to it, down again, and then with a big bullish candle, we broke out from this middle line. Now we are still over the middle line, so you can see on the daily everything is cool, everything is fine. So that's the thing why the technical is telling us on the daily everything is fine, buy, strong buy. That's one of the things. This indicators, you can see it, are a lot of mixed of a lot of indicators. You can see it here, a lot of indicators. 12 indicators are telling us buy, 9 are neutral, and 5 are for selling. So it's not only one indicator, but that's one thing why it's telling us. Okay, so you can see this support line, everyone is talking about 41,000. Okay, it's very easy to tell 41,000 because you see it, this big support line is here on 41,000. What a wonder. So everyone at home can draw this here with TradingView. It's very, very easy to make. That's the daily chart. Let's take a look about the daily chart indicators. Let's turn on the RSI. What's telling us the relative strength index? And yes, the relative strength index is not in danger. It's not on 70 points here or over 70 points. Momently it's on 56 points here. It's nearly in the middle of this long violet band here, and everything is fine with the RSI. It's not overbought, it's not oversold, everything is fine here. Let's take a look about the MACD. The MACD is an important thing, you know it guys, for trades. We are still in the 1-day chart. So Bitcoin versus USD, and this is the 1-day chart, and that's a little bit a problem. That's a little problem here. You can see it, the blue line crossed the brown line here, and this is a very bearish sign on the 1-day chart. So in my opinion, two things to watch for the 1-day chart. This blue line here is momently on a price about, let's take a look, 45,000. This is a very, very important support for now. If this will break, if 45,000 will break on the daily chart, let's clone this and let's check this. Yes, 41,000 is the next support. Okay, and the next big support here is the uptrend line, 37,000. These are the next big things we have to look about it on the down way. The bearish MACD is a problem on the daily chart, and for me it's an absolute bearish thing. I would not make a long position now because of this bearish crossing. If I would like to make a long position here on the daily chart, I would wait here for the blue line crossing back up to the brown line, and so on and so on. So for me it's not a good buy point here. The good buy point was on the middle line on 45,000. That was the perfect entry if you're making a long position or if you're making a short-term buy position here. That's a good point. But momently, you can see the candle for the daily. We have still 9 hours to end of this candle, and you can see it. We have a big wick to the upside with a big wick to the downside. We are in the middle of the candle, so it's very, very unsure the direction on the daily. So you saw the MACD, you saw the RSI on the daily. Let's dive into the 4-hour chart. And on the 4-hour chart, you can see it. The next problems we have here with Bitcoin. Why I am not so ultra bullish as all other Bitcoin professors out there. They are all ultra bullish. But from a technical analyze point here, you can see it's not so bullish. Why? Because this ribbon band, this green ribbon band, is on the 4-hour chart so important for a trader. And as you can see, this ribbon band is here our big resistance. And yes, we touched it here once, we touched it here twice, we touched it here the third time, and you know it. You more often we touch this line, the problem is getting bigger and bigger. So on the 4th or 5th time, we are going down from here, and yes, you can see it. We are making lower lows on the 4-hour chart. This was a low, and now we have a lower low. So I am not so ultra bullish as all other guys out there because of this ribbon band on the 4-hour, and you see it guys, the ribbon band is now turning. You can see it here. Here is it, a big ribbon band, and now it's turning here. And if the ribbon band is turning into red, we may see a short signal here, and that's the ultra bearish sign for me. So I'm not so bullish as all other guys. Sorry guys. That's the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin. MACD, you look at this here, the blue line is under the brown line, not crossing. If the blue line will cross the brown line on the 4-hour chart, I am a little bit more bullish here, but not for this here on the 4-hour chart. Let's take a look about the 1 hour chart. We are going deeper in the chart, and also on the 1 hour chart, you can see it here. The ribbon band turned into red. Here was the short position. Here was the perfect place to short. 55,000, 54,000 was the perfect place to short, guys. And on the 1 hour chart, you can see it. This is the ribbon band, and we spiked over the ribbon band. We fighted with the ribbon band, but Bitcoin for the moment lost the fight versus the 1 hour ribbon band, and it's now under the 1 hour ribbon band. And that's the next thing. It's bearish for me. We have a little light on the end here. You can see it here. We have, I will zoom in more and more and more. We have the blue line over the brown line on the 1 hour chart. That's a little light on the end of this tunnel. Maybe the blue line can bounce up from here. The Bitcoin can fight back this ribbon band, and you can see the next problem we have here is this yellow line. That's the MA200. So the resistance is over us with the ribbon band for the first. The MA200 is over us as resistance for the next, and then we have the next resistance. That's this point here. I will show you. That's the upper trend line here at 54,000. So much resistance here on the upside. And you know it, guys, if there are so much things here for the upside, it's so hard to fight here. We have 51,500. That's the next big resistance here for Bitcoin. We have 54,000. That's the next big point here. And we have here support here on the middle line. You can see it on the 1 hour chart. It touched it here, here, and here. And maybe we come back to 45,000 again. But I am not sure for me if it's going back to 45,000 that I make a buy here because of the force. If we are going down to 45,000, it's the fourth point to touch it again. The first, the second here, the third point, and now maybe if we're going down here, it's the fourth point. The good thing for Bitcoin is that it is so bullish, so much guys are buying the dip and buying the dip. But if a company with a lot of Bitcoins is selling here, like Tesla or something else here, it's a really big problem, and it's possible to see a really big bump here. So I can only say to you guys, attention. We have a lot of things to watch. If you're going long, we have a lot of things to watch. And for me personally here, it's not a bad point to go short if you will short Bitcoin. If you're not short from this point here, from 55,000, this is maybe also a point to short Bitcoin. But attention, we may see, it's so difficult. I know we may see a bounce up because of this blue line and the brown line here not crossing. It's very important to watch these things now. What's going on in the 15-minute chart? The 15-minute chart looks also bearish. The MA200 is over us. It's a resistance here on 50,600. The ribbon band is over us. It's a resistance about 50,000 momently. So guys, everything is so bearish momently for Bitcoin. I don't know why all professors out there are telling us it's so bullish. I don't know. I saw a lot of videos. I talked to a lot of guys also today. Everyone is so bullish. Everyone is telling me, Biti, everyone is bullish. Buy now. But I'm not so bullish. Sorry. This is the bearish downtrend of the 15-minute chart. That's the next resistance here. We have so much things to watch here, and this maybe 46,500 is on the 15-minute chart. The next support here. Yes. Guys, that's it for Bitcoin. So, yes, I know everything and everyone is telling me it's going up. My heart will like to buy it, but I can't buy it momently because of this big resistances here. This is the uptrend line. Okay, we are here on an uptrend. It's a green line on the 15-minute chart. Everything is okay. This is a little uptrend, yes, but we have to fight before we can open our champagne glasses and say back to the moon, new all-time highs, and so on and so on. We have to fight the ribbon bands. We have to fight the EMA 200 lines. We have to fight so much here. And yes, that's the thing. I am not the ultra bullish man momently here for Bitcoin. Maybe we see more downgoing power. Maybe we see more dump from here. Guys, that's it for Bitcoin for now. I wish you good luck for your trade. I wish you the best of luck. It doesn't matter if you are shorting Bitcoin or if you are going long on Bitcoin or if you're making short-term trades. I wish you the best of luck. One thing, here is my Bitcoin trading informant. Here is my baby. Here is my live stream. Please, guys, I need you there. Join my channel. I'm streaming here on Twitch and on YouTube also. Give me a sub, give me a thumbs up, comment me, chat with us here. We have so much guys here chatting. You can see it here. The chat is going really good here. And Empire 4 is here. Rohit's Rage is here. Raymond is here. Fernand is here. So much nice guys here. They are talking and so much good infos. They are giving you so much good infos if you need something. Toby is here. Write it in the chat, guys. I am there always 26 hours on 8 days a week. I am always there and I'm always chatting with you and you can ask me anything you want here on my baby, on my channel named Bitcoin Trading Informant. Streaming live on YouTube and Twitch. So, guys, that's enough. I wish you the best of luck, as I said. Make it good. Have a good time. Greetings, your Biti, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Bye bye.